Levi. Levi. Go get them.
Come on, go over there with your friends.
Get them. Go ahead. Go.
Oh no! I know.
Bring him out of there, Levi.
One way or the other, Chow. One way or the other. Hey, I'm trying to drive this home. I told you. No, one way or the other. Quit making up your mind.
Get that one. Go ahead.
Whoa,
Go ahead.
This way. I think I'm done. Remember earlier I said I was about ready to call a day?
Yeah.
I'm calling you today.
Get her, Levi. Come on. Make her go. Make her go.
Come on.
Tell her about it. Tell her.
Come on, you gotta whack her. You gotta whack her real hard.
No, not real hard.
No, Dad,
Go with her.
Hard
Go
enough.
with her.
Just hard enough to get her going, buddy. Just hard enough to get her going.
Now I was gonna say, now which one do you want to take to State Fair? Check that out. Who got out of the shadow of the barn?
Yeah, maybe.
Come on, Levi, bring her back.
Maybe
One.
I'll take her just for him. Just for my little bro.
She reminds me of Dirtball. All right, let's put them back.